So this is how you can easily download a video that you just created using the Sora 2 model. So let's say you just finished creating a video, you might receive a notification that the video or the draft is ready. You can click on that item to quickly navigate to that video, or you can also click on your profile picture right here, and then you can navigate to the draft menu, and you can click on the video that you want to download. Let's say I want to download this video. I'm going to open it, and I'm going to click this three dot icon on the top right corner of the screen, and then click download. So after that, I will receive an MP4 file of this video. So that's one way to download the video from the Sora 2 model. But what if I want to download this video? When I click this button, there is no download option at all. So this will happen on a video that features something called cameo. So if your video do contain the cameo feature, then unfortunately there's going to be no download button that you can access while the video is still in draft. So basically you have to publish or post the video first so you can download the video normally. Now I'm going to click post on this video, and only after that I can save this video to my computer. Okay, that's pretty good. Now I'm going to go back to my profile, and I'm going to open that video, the video of Sam Altman eating a GPU. And I'm going to click this icon, and I have this option to download the video. And by the way, the same thing is also applies on other videos that were created by other users in this platform. So if I navigate to the home menu, and let's say I want to download this video, I can click this icon again and download this content to my computer. So that's basically how you can download a video using, it's download video created by the Sora 2 model. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.